Hi there, this is Mikhail. I hope you're doing well. Today we got a new video unboxing the Maxibright Daylight 660 Pro. I hope you'll enjoy this video. It's a hot reaction. We're going to observe the product and we're going to see it together. Let's go. Before we start the unpacking of the Maxibright, this is an English brand. It designs LED lights for your indoor culture. It designs other things, but we will just focus on the LED. It has several ranges: the 200 watts, the 300 watts, the 480 watts, and the 660 watts. Now we're going to unpack the 660 watts. We're going to unpack the product and we can notice that the packaging is rather correct. There are certain marks it has, and there we have one. It is a good point to underline for this brand. We have just unpacked the product. We have 6 LED bars, power supply, a dimmer with suspension cables, the manual, and the power cable. Now it's time for the assembly. This is the most difficult part. Now it's time to hang the product. Now it's time to put the suspensions. I recommend for you to use black pulley. We offer them on our website so you can properly manage the height of your lighting. When you have this type of lighting, I recommend you to have quality boxes with reinforced bars. I recommend one brand in particular, which is Homebox. Now let's go to the dimmer, we'll put it in play. Plus, one point also for Maxibright is that they have the power cables that are quite large, and that is nice. I hope that this unboxing video will have you coming back for more. If you want to find this product, it is available on our website, GrowLEDEurope.com. Put it in the link description. Do not forget, blue thumb, drop a comment, and activate the bell. This was Mikhail. Ciao.